find a vehicle, and it struck me when he carjacked that big rig, my first question was, is he able to drive it? Because those things are not easy to drive, and
this guy low-key
surprised so far.
I wonder what his brain is thinking. You think he's like nervous?
Not a lot of room to maneuver, and it takes some skill to drive a vehicle like that.
Yeah, they're not very wide streets, and a lot of them.
You think he's like enjoying his life? Do people like this when you have this many helicopters and this many cop cars? Can you escape or no? Like, is it possible to escape? Oh!
Alameda, south of the 10 freeway, and I think they're getting out.
Oh!
I'm gonna zoom in here.
Oh!
See them running. So
Oh my God! Oh my God, they're gonna get away.
Now, maybe we'll see them run
Wait.
the other way. Maybe we'll see a
Oh my God.
pop out the other side.
Town too. I mean, not.
Wait, he got back in another car! Oh my, yo, this guy's. Yo, this guy's.
Or so, and hopping off of these sides, hopping off onto these sides.
Oh my God.
Slow rolled and crashed into a parked car.
Wait,
so
is
at this
he?
point, CHP does not think that there's anyone in the vehicle.
Are they fucking slow? Look at the car! That black car? Oh my God. Oh my God. He low-key almost made it obvious. He drifted the corner a little. I don't know if you saw that. He low-key almost drifted the corner. He almost made it obvious. Yo, that dude just escaped 5 helicopters,
If they were
20 police cars.